Hello everyone, welcome to Circle Electronic How to Code series. We will make watch timer in this video. Let's get started. First, we will make a circuit on Tinkercad. Open the Tinkercad circuits and create new one. Find Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, and LCD. Time for connections. Make connections as shown. Time for coding. Include the liquid crystal library. Describe the LCD pins. Define trig and echo pin. Define the trig pin mode as an output and echo pin to input. Let's turn on the LCD. Set the cursor as shown. Enter the words. And time for second line. Time for void loop. We will use ultrasonic sensor codes in here. We need to define variables for this code. Define the range and time variable. We will create a if function. If range 10 between 30, we will run robbing function. Let's create robbing function. First, we will refresh the LCD. For after, we need to create symbols for LCD. Open the LCD custom creator generator. Let's make a tab. We need to fill every block for status character. Now we will write the OK. We will assign to tab as 0. Status for 1, OK for 2. Now let's write the tab. Now we will write keep rub your hand. Time for status. We will create a for loop for writing status. write the status. We need to delay this loop 1430 because we have 14 character for timer. It need to be filled 14 character in 20 seconds. After fill the status, we will write the OK. And we will write the good job. Delay the 10 seconds and write the first words. We forgot to write LCD. That's it, coding part is completed. Now you have learned how to code watch timer. For making watch timer, you need one LCD, one Arduino, one circle LCD shield, one ultrasonic sensor, and male to female jumper cables. The circle electronic LCD shield is the perfect for the LCD projects. You don't need the breadboard circuits for using LCDs if you are using LCD shield. We are making connections for sensor. That's it, let's try it. If you want to buy LCD shield, you can visit our website. We wish happy days. Goodbye.